page 462, section 7.1. We're going to find each root. Number 18. Let's look at number 18. Here we have a negative square root of 121. The negative sign is outside the square root. So here we're going to keep the negative sign, bring it down. So keep the negative sign. Here you can use your calculator to find out square root of 121. Or square root of 121 is what? 11 and 11. For square roots, we are looking for pair. If two numbers there are the same, they become 1. So no more roots, okay? So think the square root as your house, okay? Think the square root as your house. So if you have pair, the two numbers they are the same, okay? Think the square root as a house. Two numbers they are the same, they become one number, then they leave the house, and no more house, so no more square roots. So that's an easy way to do it, okay? Now, let's look at number 26. Number 26, we have little 4 inside of 625. The little 4 outside, that means we need to find out 4 numbers, they are the same. Okay, so 625, number start with 5, I'm going to use 5. So 5 times 125, give me 625, or 625 divided by 5, give me 125. I'm going to use 5 again, and 125 divided by 5, give me 25. Then 25 is 5 and 5. Now, the little 4 outside, this, let me show you this number here. The little 4 outside, that tell me what? I'm looking for 4 numbers, they are the same. So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are 5, 4, so they become 1. So my answer is equal to 5. Okay, now, next, let's look at number 38. Here, number 38, number 34. Let's do 34 first. Number 34, we have 8th root of -1. Okay, before we do that, let me show you something. Let me show you 2 examples over here. Example, if I even roots with a negative number, such as square root of a number, little 4 outside as a number inside, and little 6, then you see even root and so on. Okay, so with that, with even roots, okay, you have negative number inside, then if you use your calculator, this will be no solution. So you cannot find out any number. Okay, next, with odd roots, which will be like 3, little 3 with a negative number, or little 5, negative number inside, then little 7 outside, and negative number inside. For this, your answer is equal to a negative number. Okay, now let's go back to my number 34. Number 34 over here, you can see we have even roots, right? A negative number inside, so therefore, apply to over here will be what? No solution. Okay, now let's look at number 38. Number 38, we have 4th root of square root of 81 over 16. Okay, now if you have a fraction like this, think again, the square root as your house, right? So think this as what? 2-story house. I'm going to break down this into apartments. So 1 on the top, then 1 at the bottom. We still keep the little 4, okay? The little 4 is very important. Now, let's look at 4th root of 81. Now, let's break down 81. 81 will be 9 and 9. Most people use 9 and 9. But the little 4 outside, that tell me what? I'm looking for 4 numbers, they are the same. So I'm going to keep breaking down. So this become what? How many 4? How many 3? 4, 3. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. So my answer is equal to 3. So it'll be 3 on the top. Okay, next. 4th root of 16. We're going to break down. Most people use 4 and 4, but again, the little 4 outside, that tell me what? I'm looking for 4 numbers, they are the same. So I'm going to keep break down the 4. So here, the little 4 tell me I'm looking for 4 numbers, they are the same. Here's my 4, 2. So my answer is equal to 2. So it'll be 2 on the bottom. And that's it. And that's your answer.